Hi, today we're going to present about group assignment engineering mathematics by using divergence theorem and Green's theorem. So for the contents, we have problem statement and objectives. We have divergence theorem and Green's theorem. Next we have problem solving, the including of the calculation, and finally the conclusion. For the problem statement and objective, the problem statement, what is divergence theorem and how it is related to the Green's theorem? What is the region for the robot vacuum to move using the rotating motors? And the objectives are to study and use Green's theorem to determine the region of rotary motion in our robot vacuum. Robot vacuum is a vacuum cleaner, sometimes called as a RoboVac or a Roomba as generic trademark. It is an autonomous robotic vacuum cleaner which has a limited vacuum flooring clean system combined with sensors and robotic drive with programmable control and cleaning routine.
Hi, I'm going to explain the theory of Green theorem. So as you may know, we have used automated vacuum that will move in a rotary direction, which is a cylinder coordinate, which the divergence theorem can be applied. The divergence theorem is a surface integral of a vector field over a closed surface, which is flux through the surface equal to the volume integral of the divergence over the region inside the surface. The divergence theorem is generalized to any number of dimensions, which is integration by part, and which is done for one dimension, while it is equivalent to Green theorem, which is two dimension. The automated vacuum uses a two dimension which the Green theorem is applied. The general formula is shown as below. By applying the formula of Green theorem, we are able to calculate the line integral across the curve. For the curve that runs in counterclockwise, we call it as positive orientation, while the curve that runs clockwise will be negative orientation. That's it.
Assalamualaikum. For the problem solving part will be explained by me and my friend. My name is Faisal Kamaruddin and my friend's name is Kurasha. I will be explaining the theoretical and Kurasha will be explained for the calculation. As you can see, given the question of integration of 4x squared y respected to x plus 5xy respected to y, where c is the circle of x squared plus y squared equal to 9. By refer to the c, we know that radius is 3. Therefore, the graph will shape of circle with the radius of 3. To justify the graph, we using MATLAB simulation. As you can see, t is defined as angle in radian, and x followed by the formula is r cosine theta, while y is r sine t. Then we use the plot analysis to generate the graph. If we run the program, the graph will be shown like this. Next, the calculation will be explained by Kurasha.
Based on Green theorem, we have made a question and calculation equation. First, we have put the value in our equation regarding to the Green theorem formula, and we use differentiation for the value which are r and d theta. So first, put in the formula which is then differentiate. We already know the value of theta and r in the MATLAB, which is theta 2 pi and 0, while r 3 and 0. So put in the double integral. Then we need to change the value of y and x, which is y r cos theta, x r sin theta. The value of r is 3. So So divide this value, we get after that we need to divide R with this question. Then we need to integrate the value of R. Then change the R with the value given, which is 3 and 0. And minus 0, because when we change the value of 0 and R will be 0. So the answer is to make it simple, we have put inconsistent value, which is 9 over 2 at the integrate box. After that, before integrate the theta, we have changed sin squared to 1 minus cos 2 theta over 2, because this is the equation given in the formula. To make it easier, we can multiply this 36 and 2, which is will be 1, this will be 18. So 9 over 2, 2 pi 0, 15 cos theta, 18, 1 cos theta d theta. Then integrate d theta. Cos will be negative sin, so negative 15 sin theta minus 18. 1 will be theta plus, because cos integrate will be negative sign, so we will get positive sign 2 theta over 2 pi 0. So we will change nilai pi, the value of pi, to 2 pi and 0. The 0 will be 0 because if we put sign 0 will be 0. So 0. So this will be 0. This is also will be 0. So the last answer is negative 18 2 pi. So this is divide. Will be negative 36 pi, and this is divide also. So the last answer is negative 162 pi. This is the final answer.
Hi, my name is Tujun Yi. So now I will present for the part conclusion. Our application is Smart Robot Vacuum. The center of the Smart Robot Vacuum is the center of the robot vacuum. The direction of the robot vacuum is linear or rotatory. The movement of Smart Robot Vacuum is integrate 4x squared y dx plus 5xy dy. The region of the closed path C is in the circle, which is x squared plus y squared equal to 9. So the maximum region of the radius will get 3 meter. The angle is 0 to 2 pi in mode radian. Cylindrical coordinates is applied due to the region of closed path C is a circle. The limit of the double integral are included the angle and radius. So dA will equal to r dr d theta. Radius is 3 and the limit for the dr is 0 to 3 while d theta is 0 to 2 pi. Orientation for the Smart Robot Vacuum is in positive orientation, which is counterclockwise direction. This is because Green theorem only can apply in the counterclockwise direction, so the value get for the double integral will get the negative value. Thank you.